In this video, I'm going to discuss about hyperlink control in Microsoft ASP.NET. So about the hyperlink control, so it is used to navigate user to another page. So add here another page or in the same page. The main property of hyperlink control is to navigate. So by using hyperlink, we can open Google, YouTube, Microsoft, any other site. So let's understand by example. So add here this is the designer part. So anything in ASP.NET, so we can do by two ways. First is directly designing and next is by source. So let's understand first way here source. So in our title going to write so is hyperlink example. So this thing should be display hyperlink example. Now here after the next is inside the form section going to write at this point h4 tag. So h4 tag. Now here after writing hyperlink control example. Now the next is here after let's write at this point add here click on hyperlink. Now here after going to use colon and here beer tag. So about the beer tag to put another control in different new line, so that we are using beer tag. Now here after going to use ASP and here you can find different controls. So this is the example of hyper control. So taking so at here we have two control hyper tasks. First is hyper and dynamic hyperlink. So at here this video I'm going to discuss about hyperlink control. Now next I will see dynamic. Now here after let's let's set the property of ID. So ID should be meaningful like according to project requirement. So meaningful. So let's give add here hyperlink 1. Now here after going to use so here you can find font italic. So going to take add here image link. So image link equal to so where is the image? So in project we have image on or picture. Here first is the project name. Okay, here picture and here picture you can find different images. So and here we need to write at this point at here let's write first picture. So picture is the folder name. Now here backward slash and picture give the picture name. So at here going to open google.com Google and here picture name google.jpg. jpg is the picture tag. Now here after the next is so here after the next at this point so next at here we need to set navigate URL. So here you can find navigate URL. Now so by using this we can open any site. So navigate URL. So at here we should write at this point http or here colon and here backward slash and here triple dot. Now here going to open Google site. So add here Google dot and here com. Or here if you want then here you can click add here at this point. So this will guide you at here. So here you can open by selecting this URL. You can also open any other. Now here after going to open Google Sites. Now here let's give the text set the text property. So add here going to use Google official sites. Now here after the target option. So this is the important property like hyperlink, navigate your text, and here target property going to set. Here you can find target. So target property. So I want when user click on this link, then here that should be displaying the new or page. So for this we need to set add here underscore name. Now here after the in last, so this should be run on server. So run it and here double quote server. Now here after slash and close. Okay. So this is the opening and here this is the ending of hyperlink. And about this, all those things like page, language, talk tab, HTML, this all those things I discussed in my first or second video, I think. So let's check there. So this is my YouTube channel. So please subscribe for latest videos update. Now here you can find doc tab and important HTML tags. So there I discuss about what exactly doc tab and what is this all in tags here. Now let's execute and check the output. So it's right now it's opening right here. So see you can compare by this code. So see hyperlink control. So first is add your title. So here so that it's title displaying hyperlink example. Now here after hyperlink control example, so it's a h4 tags. So h4 tags generally used to display some messages on the browser. Now here after click on hyper. So br after that it's a left new line. It comes to the new line. Control comes to the new line. Here after all the things related to hyperlink, and here at here first is image URL. So this is the image. So image format from here I will show you about to google.jpg. So this is the picture of google.jpg. It's come from picture folder, and here this is the picture name. Now navigate URL. So if I click at this link, okay, this is the link here or here. So www.google.com, and here this is the text. So target new. So if I click at here, so by setting target new, so there is a one new page added, and here Google site it's open. So Google site it's open at here. Now here after, so whatever I written at here, so this directly affect the designer. So see at here, so this is the image here. This is the image at this point here. Now here you can change the property at your target property. So if I say it as at here like parent. Now if I execute, so this will not open new page. So this will work on the same page. So if I click on Google, so see at here, this will work on the same page. Now here after the next is, so at here you can change the URL also. So by clicking triple dot, here you can, here I'm not finding anything like YouTube, Microsoft. So we can do it by manually. So here if I'm going to opening the YouTube page. Okay, so I selected at here. So let's go to the source, and here at this point, so you can check YouTube. So this is the utah.jpg. So this is the picture. So this time I'm going to open Utah. So YouTube. So at here we need to write YOUTA. So Utah is the picture, and here YouTube official page. So this is the text, and here about to target I discussed. Now here we need to set navigate your should be picture name is the utah.jpg. Okay, utah.jpg is the picture name. So let's do add here utah.jpg. Now here we need to write some meaningful, some well stated navigated URL. So if I execute, so somewhere that try to find utah.com. So let's it's searching. If I click on here, so here it's not searching something unknown things. It's a display. So it's not our requirement. My requirement is to open YouTube. So add here. Let's write U and here tube. So YouTube now here after execute once again. Now here, so this is the image. Click there. So here it's a YouTube. Here it's a opening. Now the next thing is I will open my YouTube page. So at here we need to copy this one, and here we need to paste this link inside navigate URL and this double quote. Now paste there. So it will directly navigate or move to my YouTube channel. So like this you can set any kind of things. So you can check at here. This is the just link I copied. So it's opening. So before you are using hyperlink control, so you should enable your net property, then you get the expected output, whatever you like. From here you can open any kind of sites. So right now I think my net is slower. So this is the about to navigate here. So this is the most important property of hyperlink control. Now let's check once again. So see right here, there is the YouTube page. It's open. Okay. So like this, you can copy and paste at here, and you can use the. You can open. You can copy and paste. After that, you can open any kind of sites. So this is the small topics but important in your project. So before, if you like to open giving any site information, you can paste the link. After that, meaningful message you should write at there. After that, you can tell the users to open this site. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.